How to log in Renault Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Renault Bank and further tap on the very first link that appears. You will be led to the official webpage of Renault Bank. In here, tap on the login option on the top right of your screen and you will further be led to the login portal of Renault. Now, go ahead and enter your user ID and your PIN and then tap on the login button. And with this, if the login credentials you entered are correct, then you will be signed in successfully. So this is how you can log in to Renault Bank online banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.